smallest size because it was so just checking it. I don't know if I should cover myself, but oh well, I'm just gonna shake. Hi everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Oh my goodness, if this is your first time, maybe you don't know what to do. Let me stop saying you know what to do. Maybe you don't know what to do. My name is Shola. Hey, and you can click that subscribe button if you enjoy what you see, and also please comment. I respond back to all comments, and give me a thumbs up, and feel free to share this video. We also have a family blog channel called DN Blogs Live, and we also have a Facebook group called Discover Natural Group, where we can work with you one-on-one and teach you and help you and be your sister or your brother, okay, and help you out. And feel free to watch any cards that pop up over here. We have information in the description area that will help you also. So let's get started. Yay! Okay, so I got a message from one of you guys. Let me put on my glasses. And the message said, this is from Sable 711, and she says, thanks for being brave and trying out products for us. Didn't think that would work though, but while you're at it, would you try Toppiks? Okay, she said Toppiks. This is what it looks like. I bought the smallest size because it wasn't cheap. Okay, so Toppiks for little bald spot on the scalp to see if it really gives coverage and attached itself to hair strands to make them seem thicker. So I went to Amazon. My Amazon shop is down below. I'm gonna add this to my Amazon shop because I've tried it before, and I bought this one. This is 3 grams and it is 0.11 ounces, and I bought this one right over here. This is what it looks like, and it has instructions over here, ingredient list and all that stuff. So this is what the bottle looks like. I'm going to remove the top film from it, and as you see, it looks like, you know, like dusting powder. It looks like powder that you can shake on. So this is the area of my hair that we're going to work with right over here. I also have some area that are thinning right over here, and this is just my normal balding pattern. So just checking it. I don't know if I should cover myself, but oh well, I'm just gonna shake. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna shake. It says shake. Okay, oof, and then pat. Oh gosh. Now I have a little bit of fallout. It's like putting powder in the hair, and I have a little bit of fallout. So I want it to look as natural as possible. Okay, so pat, pat, pat. So I think that is enough. Is that enough? Okay, I'm gonna put some more over there. I'm wondering if one will have to reapply this, like if my finger doesn't have anything left on it. It doesn't look as if there's anything left on it. Just gonna pat, pat, pat. So it's as if it's gripping on to my hair. Okay, so I'm gonna put some more. Oh my gosh, this is scary. So pat, pat, pat. Okay. Did I finish it? Okay. So this is what it looks like. I have some other thinning area over here. I'm putting it there too. Pat, pat, pat. Now I'm seeing some residue on my finger. You guys can see that. So I think that is enough. So they said to use their holding spray. I don't have their holding spray, so I don't want to use some other holding spray that I don't know anything about. and I don't want the ingredients to mix up and cause my head to bald. Okay, so far this is what it looks like. What does it feel like? It feels like powder, and I do have residue on my fingers, but it's not that bad. So it's not that bad. Okay, so this is what it looks like so far. You guys can see it almost looks like hair. So I'm not going to apply it to this ends over this area, edges over here. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to see how long this stays in my hair. Okay guys, so it has been about, I want to say about 13 hours after I applied this to my hair, and let's see how it's holding up. This is what it looks like right now. So it actually does look like hair. My daughter was like, oh, what happened? So maybe I should have put some more over here, but it does look like hair. You guys see it? It does, and it's not rubbing on my hand anymore. I don't see it rubbing on my hand anymore. So one thing I didn't do was brush it. So I want to see how it will react to if I brush it, because right now it looks almost weird. So this area kind of even look more sparse. Sorry, it's late and I can't talk. So I'm going to take some more. I'm going to pour it to that area. See if it will fill that area. You guys see? So it's almost as if I'm pouring hair, like hair patches. You guys see that? Makes it look a little bit more realistic. That is so interesting. Okay, I'm gonna go to bed and I'll show you what it looks like in the morning. Okay everyone, this is I believe this is the third day that I'm coming with this thing on my hair. I believe some of it has already rubbed off while I was taking a bath, and you can see that like this area has rubbed off. And also I should say that one thing I noticed, if you look very close up, you'll notice that there are some areas of it clumping up right over here. So even if I take my brush and pick at it to just kind of spread it out, you can see it's actually removing it from my hair. So it's still a little bit is still there faint, but all the ones I applied to this area is gone, just from taking my bath and also from, you know, wearing my bonnet and all that. So the last thing today is usually when I would moisturize my hair. I kind of moisturize my hair every 3 days or so. My hair stays very good. It's very good with being moisturized. So I'm going to remove my snappy right over here, and I'm going to show you if this product would work with you moisturizing it. Does it still stay? So I'm just gonna spray a little bit of it to my edges. So spraying some water. We're doing the lock method. So let me go close and you can see if it's coming off. Right over here is where you can see it's already okay. So I'm gonna do water. We always do water. We do oil. This is my oil bottle. I'm gonna take a little bit of oil and put some oil in that area as if I'm moisturizing it. Oil. And then lastly, we always do a cream. So let me take my cream, and this is the cream that I'm using. So I'm going to take some cream and put the cream to it. And I bet you after I put it to it, let's see, and usually, you know, you will brush your hair. So I'm using this little brush instead of my big brush. And you can see now, you can see it's actually came off. You see? It's no longer filled in like it was at the beginning. So it actually came off. So just be mindful of that if you decide to wet your hair. It's as if you are washing your hair and washing the product off. So by washing your hair, this product will come off. So you can see it's coming off. It's still a little bit obvious right over here. You can see a little bit there. But overall, it works for when you are not going to be wetting your hair. I believe they said apply on damp, dry hair, not damp hair. So what you're going to do is that probably after you've moisturized your hair, you let your hair dry up a little bit, and then you can reapply the product too. So this concludes my review of the Toppik product. Is a full review. I hope you guys like it. If you guys do want to try it, you can use my Amazon code for my Amazon shop down below, Amazon link down below. I have an Amazon shop where everything I've ever tried, I put it in my Amazon shop and I let you know what I think about it in a video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in another video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and please do watch these other videos right here, and you can also join our Facebook group, Discovering Natural group. Take care. Bye. Have you entered the giveaway?